Hello there, I'm Junaid Armido and I'm filming this vlog for the nth time. I say compliance to my MMS 100 number 3 assignment. Okay. Um, Getting into the UPOU is really an interesting experience, but I get to learn a lot of things like managing my time and um, be more responsible with my assignments as I have to do them alone, and I really have to be careful with the instructions that were given, the that are given. But it's really challenging on my part since I've been doing other things too, and that I cannot really sit very long on the computer because it makes me dizzy, gives me headache for most of the times, just like now. And so I don't really read my lessons on the monitor. I really have them print out. Yes. So it really takes a lot of time to study my lessons regularly. Anyways, but um, the lessons are the homeworks that are given. They're really interesting. Just like in one of my classes, we were required to do cultural mapping, and I really enjoyed that. And there, well, why would I have to take an online, or why did I enroll for this program? Well, I've been a graduate of the an associate degree in music ministry in a private college before. So, but it's like music or earning the degree is more of a ministry in church. I've studied that for the church. It's not really that I want to use it as a career, but and it's not really my plan. It's more of mom's uh, my mom's request that she really wants us to enter that college. Yes, and so upon finishing the um, course, I worked as a teacher in my own hometown in Angeles, and something's really bothering me that I really have to earn a degree, and then official bachelor's degree since that's only an associate degree. And okay, and then I know that earning a degree would really help me a lot to be more stable in whatever I want to do in the future, and it will let me to gain more opportunities there. So but before I enter UPOU, I applied for the College of Music in the University of the Philippines, Diliman. But doing music again, so it's kind of um, it's been kind of a problem. I've already learned music and then but you know, it's the only option that I can or I have to get to enter into the university. And so on my second year, I got kind questions like, what do I want to do with music? There's so much to do, more than music, and I really want to be. I want to personally. I would want to be involved into organizations or to help the community, like environment movement, such certain stuff. Would I be able to do that with music? And okay, so and then I learned of this program, which is still part of the University of the Philippines. I'm really glad to have found it. Um, Other than doing music, I've I've involved myself into photography and videography, and so multimedia is would really help me to put things all together and be able to create films, such as in my church we have a youth group, and one of our projects is creating short films, and I would want to use that interest not really yes, those interests and ideas that I could develop more in the program, I could use them in whatever endeavor I may do in the future. So I'm really glad that we have such things like this. Um, though I really have to grow more in being more responsible, and it's another advantage of doing an online schooling is you get to go anywhere and still complete your studies, yes, your course. So I think the multimedia, the program that I was in, which is STEM, it would help me or um, help me to be more artistic or teach me more and in whatever um, business that I may take. It was like in advertisements or raising awareness for such um, movement or organizations. Yes, I'm looking forward to finishing this. Really, really looking forward to be able to put all my ideas into a more professional level. So this is Chinador Castermido, sending greetings from Ho Chi Minh City, signing off.